In this video, I'll describe the process of completing an affidavit of domicile. This form applies only to decedent owners who died outside of Pennsylvania. Completing this form is very similar to completing Pennsylvania's Entitlement to Decedent Owner Affidavit, which is commonly referred to as a relationship affidavit. Similar to the relationship affidavit, this document may only be used by close family members to claim unclaimed property. On this form, you will be required to enter the state and county where the deceased owner passed away. Fill in your name and address. Then enter the decedent owner's name, the state they died in, their date of death, and the decedent owner's legal residence. Check the line to indicate if your relationship to the deceased owner is that of a surviving spouse, child, mother or father, or sister or brother. Next, list other individuals that are entitled to claim this property because they hold a higher order of preference. For example, if you are a sister or brother of the deceased owner and their surviving spouse or child or mother or father is still living, you are required by law to list these individuals and make distribution accordingly. Provide their name, relationship to the deceased owner, and address. Their telephone number and date of birth is optional. Sign the claim form by the X to acknowledge your agreement with the terms and provisions. For claims $5,000 and greater, sign in the presence of a notary public. The notary is required to fill out the section immediately below your signature. Now you can upload your completed affidavit of domicile to our website. Go to the Claim Status Upload Forms tab on the main screen, right underneath the Already Started, Need Help section, or if you prefer, print and mail your form to our P.O. Box.